Stanair has nearly 50 years' experience servicing, repairing and maintaining industrial doors throughout the region. Stanair offer a 24-hour emergency industrial door repair service to both new and existing customers, 365 days a year. If you have a door problem, you call the office, a member of our team will answer within 3 rings, we assess your needs and organise an engineer or a surveyor to visit. If it is an emergency, our engineers aim to be on site within 4 hours of your call. All our vans are fully equipped and our engineers are highly trained. We work to ISO 9001 standards and ensure all your health and safety needs are met at all times. Once on site, our team will assess and diagnose the problem. If we can't repair or secure your door on our first engineering visit, you won't pay a penny. As one of the UK's first specialist industrial door repair companies, Stanair is the name you can trust, with a service built totally around you.